Hi, welcome to the AI Programming Zone YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Oracle Database 21C. So, if you want to install this Oracle 21C, we can search on Google about this, download Oracle 21C, and it is its official website, the oracle.com. You can download it from here. Okay, first you need to create an account and then you will be able to download it. Okay, and also if you're using Linux, then you will be able to download it for Linux. So I already downloaded it, so here it is. It is about 2.5 GB or gigabyte. After you download it, you need to unzip it, you need to extract it. Okay, so I did that already and that is in here. So after that, you need to move this into your C drive. So this is the drive C and here it is. So I have it here. Now let's go and start installing it. Okay, so if you want to install it, you need to just come here and double click on this setup. Okay, yes, and then wait a moment, then we will go. Okay, and let me go back to the C drive. Within here, I need to create a new folder and I'm going to name it app. Okay, so while we install it, it will be stored within here, within this app folder. So let's go back here and wait a moment. 21C Oracle database. So the first option is the configuration option. So within here we need to just hit the next button, and here let's use desktop class and again hit next. And now I'm going to create a new user. The username is going to be anything you want. Okay, for me it's gonna be Nimitullah1 and a passport 123. Retype it 123 and let's hit next. It is the typical installation. So first let's browse it here and let's select the app folder that we just created, and then within here we need to create a strong password. So I will use a strong password and also I will retype that password and let's hit next. Everything is ready now. If you want to change anything, you can edit them from here. Okay, so now I am going to just hit install and it will start the installation. If it asks you about this Windows Defender firewall has blocked some feature of this app, you need to allow them. Okay, allow access. Now the database is installed successfully. As you see, the configuration of Oracle database was successful. Now you can close it. Okay, so now it is done. If we search for SQL Plus, here it is. Now we can use it. Okay, so the username could be system. The password is the password that you give it to. So as you see here, right now we are able to write our PLSQL or Oracle databases. Okay, so it is how you can install it. So is there any other software that we can use it? Yeah, there is another software that is called SQL Developer. Okay, let me show you that too. That is within here. You need to download this too. Okay, if you need to use it, that is called SQL Developer. So we can use this. It has a graphic interface that is very easy to use. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to download this and how to use this, connect this with Oracle, and then write some kind of PL/SQL or SQL or Oracle project. Okay, so thanks for watching.